Some things that set FRC aside from other treatment centers is that we have a large focus on family involvement. Out of other treatment facilities that I've worked at, I felt like that was a missing piece because when an individual comes in here, they go home and they're not doing it alone. It's really the whole system that has to change, so we work with the families as well. There are some myths and stigmas around addiction that I don't agree with. I think there are people out there who believe that addiction is not a disease, and that's not accurate. We provide a lot of education, not only to our staff, to individuals coming in here for treatment, teaching about how addiction is a brain disease and how we can manage that better. We also teach family members that as well. If you or someone that you love is struggling with addiction or mental health, please call Finlay Recovery Center because we're here to help.